Hello, it's your girl Beautiful Lee, and I'm coming to you guys today with a wig review from Amazon. It's another curly unit like this one. I got this one from my local beauty supply store, so I don't really remember any of the details about it. But today the wig I ordered was from Amazon, and it's just, like I said, it's just another wig that kind of looks like this one, just a different color. I've never ordered from Amazon before, so this is my first time ordering a wig from them. It only took 2 days. The wig was $17.99 and I got it in the color brown. So if you want to see more about this wig, just stay tuned. Make sure you follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys let me know how you feel about this wig. I love curly units, so I kind of feel like can't go wrong with it. So let's just see how everything goes. So I already took it out of the box that it came in. So it arrives in this little plastic packaging. The company's name, I think it's called aisi or something like that. It's AISI Beauty, and that's the name of the company that I got this wig from. So let me just take it out of the package so I can show you what it came with. It came with a wig cap, a black, well, no, this is regular wig cap. Thought it was a black one. And then this is how the wig comes in the normal little netting that it comes in. Also has this inside of the wig, and then the tag that's on the wig just has the company name, and it says new styles, new feelings, new for you, your beauty is our glory. So let me just take this tag right off. So the way the wig comes, it has 2 combs in the front. It doesn't have a comb in the back, but it does have the adjustable band that it usually has inside of the wig. And this is the wig. And like I said, it resembles the one that I have on now. So like I said, I've been feeling the curly wigs lately. So I have no complaints so far. And the wig came 2 days. It came in 2 days because I have Prime on Amazon, so it didn't take long at all. So I will be back once I switch out wigs, just to show you what it looks like straight out of the packaging before I do anything to it. Okay, so now I'm back, and all I did was just put the wig onto my head. I am in love with the color, the curls. It's perfect. So all you really have to do to this wig once you get it, like I said, you really don't have to do too much to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little bit of cutting just to shape it to my face a little bit. Just cut a little bit of the bang and just fluff the wig up a little bit. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come right back. So this is the finished product after I cut a little bit off and I fluffed it out a little bit. I love this wig. I definitely didn't have to do much to it. It came on time. The company, they're great. I love the wig. So if you're looking for a wig that you don't have to really do too much to, this is the wig for you. They have a few other colors on their website or on Amazon that you can get this wig in, so make sure you go check them out. This video is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money, so I'm definitely going to put a link down in the description box just in case you want to check it out. So thank you for watching my video. Until next time, bye.